Dialogues Concerning Natural Religion is a philosophical work by David Hume, first published in 1779. The book is a series of dialogues between three characters, Philo, Cleanthes, and Demi, who discuss the nature and existence of God and the problem of evil. The dialogue is structured around three main arguments for the existence of God: the argument from design, the cosmological argument, and the moral argument. Philo is skeptical of all three arguments and argues that they are ultimately flawed. The argument from design holds that the order and complexity of the natural world imply the existence of a designer or creator. Cleanthes presents this argument, but Philo challenges it by arguing that it is based on a flawed analogy between the natural world and human artifacts. He argues that there is no reason to believe that the natural world has a single designer or creator, or that it is necessarily perfect or benevolent. The cosmological argument holds that everything that exists must have a cause, and that there must be a first cause that started the chain of causation. Demi presents this argument, but Philo challenges it by arguing that there is no reason to assume that the first cause is God, or that it possesses the attributes traditionally ascribed to God. The moral argument holds that the existence of moral values and duties implies the existence of a moral lawgiver, which is typically identified with God. Cleanthes presents this argument, but Philo challenges it by arguing that there are alternative explanations for the existence of morality, such as social conventions or evolutionary biology. In addition to these arguments, the characters also discuss the problem of evil, which holds that the existence of evil and suffering in the world is incompatible with the existence of an all-powerful and benevolent God. Philo argues that this problem undermines all three arguments for the existence of God, and that it is ultimately impossible to reconcile the existence of evil with the idea of a perfect and benevolent God. Throughout the dialogue, Hume employs a skeptical approach, challenging many traditional assumptions about the nature and existence of God. He raises important questions about the limits of human reason and the difficulty of arriving at certain knowledge about the nature of the universe. Overall, Dialogues Concerning Natural Religion is a significant work in the history of philosophy, challenging traditional arguments for the existence of God and raising important questions about the limits of human reason. Hume's skeptical approach and emphasis on the role of experience and observation in shaping our beliefs continue to influence philosophical debates to this day.